Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a quote video for Instagram Reels only with the Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Capcut application, and after that this is the result whenever you first timer open it. And to get or to start making the Instagram Reels that containing the quotes video, you just need to visit the templates. Why I suggest you to visit the templates? Because Capcut provide you with popular or trending templates that you can use, so that it can also make your Instagram Reels going like bigger and engage more viewers or likes. And here is the result. I already got one template with 1 million of user for this template, so means that this template is quite popular. So you just need to go click it to open it, and after that you just need to go click use template and just choose the video that on your photo library that you already prepare, let's say here, and then you just need to go click next.
No matter what
to change the audio, you just need to go choose which audio that you want to use, and after that if you want to change the text, just go click the text here and start typing the text for each sections down here. And after you've done everything, you just need to go click export, and now you can just go save to device. And you can also just directly share it with the Instagram just by click this Instagram.
no matter what
and your Capcut will be automatically bring you into the Instagram application, and just go click next. And now you're ready to upload this into your Instagram Reels. So that's the way how to create a quotes video only with the Capcut for your Instagram Reels. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.